Why is the industrial equipment field rarely overtaken through leapfrog development? Because the real competitiveness has never been about exaggerated claims, but about micron-level precision control and stability through millions of operations. Why can large manufacturers' equipment achieve failure rates as low as the industry benchmark level, even for the same laser cutting machines? Today, we step into Hans Yueming to explore the powerful strength behind its high reliability. The failure rates are controlled from the source, just like the laser cutting machine being assembled behind me. Compared to testing only after assembly, Hans Yueming carries out strict inspections during the entire manufacturing process. The quality inspections are integrated into every step of the production process. Every detail, including the tightness of each screw, the precise arrangement of each electrical wiring, and the alignment of the crossbeam assembly, follows its own strict standards. Each machine undergoes rigorous testing before leaving the factory to ensure that customers receive a well-tested machine with stable performance. The true low failure rates rely on more than just hardware. Hans Yueming's intelligent diagnostic system monitors over 20 parameters in real time, including optical path, air pressure, and temperature, to provide early warnings of potential risks. In the field of industrial equipment, there are no shortcuts. Do the simple things millions of times, yet still maintain precision every time. Hans Yueming, with 25 years of technological accumulation, demonstrates one truth: high reliability is a more advanced competitiveness than specifications.